Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put a leveling kit on a Dodge Ram 3500. First, gather all your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a complete set of wrenches. Next, ensure your truck is parked on a perfectly flat and stable surface to prevent any movement during the installation. For your safety, always remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Now, let's tackle the front suspension. Begin by safely lifting the front of your Dodge Ram 3500 and securing it firmly with jack stands. This provides the necessary clearance. Next, remove both front wheels and then proceed to disconnect the shock absorbers from their mounting points. Finally, carefully unbolt the sway bar links and the track bar, allowing the axle to drop sufficiently for the next steps. Take your time with each connection. With the front suspension components loosened, you can now lower the axle just enough to carefully remove the existing coil springs. Once the springs are out, place the new leveling spacers directly on top of them, ensuring they are seated correctly. Then, reinstall the coil springs with the spacers back into their positions. Finally, reattach all the previously disconnected components, including the shock absorbers, sway bar links, and track bar, tightening everything to specification. To complete the installation, reinstall the front wheels and carefully lower your Dodge Ram 3500 back onto the ground. Reconnect the negative terminal of your battery and then test the steering and suspension by driving slowly. An alignment is highly recommended after installing a leveling kit to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as clean as your truck looks. Enjoy your newly leveled Ram.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.